Hey babes, what's up? It's Val here. I'm doing a what I got for Christmas video. So I know this is very late. I thought why not add in a little something, you know, something extra special. So I am doing a Boxing Day sections. I did do some Boxing Day shopping. Not a lot, like there's only a few items, but I definitely want to share them with y'all. And yeah, so we have a what I got for Christmas video and let's do a Boxing Day haul. So I'm gonna start with the onesie I'm wearing right now. I did get it for Christmas. It's very cute. There's penguins all over it. I forget what brand it's from. I'll insert the clip down below and everything like that. But it's very cozy, very furry. I am a large for reference. But yeah, just some penguins all over, you know. Cute, cozy design. There's like fleece on the inside, so it's really warm. And I would not recommend wearing this to bed because I did that one time and I got a wedgie. Okay, so this necklace, my grandma got it for me. Simple gold little necklace, real gold. I really like it. It's really simple, something I can wear every day. I've basically had it on since Christmas, honestly. So really simple, really nice, love it. And also too, so far I haven't gotten any like irritations from it. I have been like pretty sensitive before to things. So, and also too, if people ever ask me, oh, cute necklace, I'll be like, oh yeah, thanks, my grandma got it for me. Which I just like saying, kind of, you know, like, Okay, next jewelry thing. First earring in here. It's my birthstone. It is the thing from Pandora. So I've been wanting a very basic earring to go my first hole. My first hole in here, like I have two. So my first hole, I always put in like fun earrings, like from Forever 21 or something, because like, you know, I don't keep those in for long. Like, you know, they're fine just like for the day or something. So I've always wanted something basic to just keep it in there almost all the time whenever I do feel like putting on like, you know, a fancy or like cool earring that I will. But I've always wanted something basic because I lost like the first one, like, you know, when they initially do it with, because that's what's still in this, my second hole here, because it's like, it's simple. I really like it just because it is something that I can say again, kind of like, oh, it's my birthstone. I just like saying things like that, like, you know, I got my grandma got it for me. Oh, it's my birthstone, thank you. Because it's a bit more personal when it comes to those things, which I just personally like when things are actually more thought of and stuff. Like my mom told me she went in there not knowing what to get me, and when they showed her like just some ideas, she saw the birthstone, like she just knew. And I find that's just like beautiful and like touching. So I have a Pandora box. So going on to accessories, like other accessories now, I got some belts. So if you heard before, I am living a healthier lifestyle. I've been going to the gym more often. I was tracking my calories for a little bit, but now I'm not. But I have been living a healthier lifestyle, and I had pants before that did fit. I used to be a size 12 and now they don't fit. And at first, like, you know, when you first lose a little bit of weight, you're like, I didn't want to buy new pants. I didn't want to get anything new. And so I got a crappy little belt, honestly, and it did the job, but that belt now doesn't fit me. So I guess my parents heard my struggles one morning when I was getting changed, because I was like, nothing fits. So they got me a new belt. I really like gold detailing. As you can see too, I have like a gold necklace, as I showed you all before. This is Forever 21, but honestly, it's been holding up. And I really just like the simple three ring gold detail. It's really nice, amps up any look really, just like a nice buckle. And I think this is like this is the small / medium belt. What? I fit in a small / medium? I've never fit in a small anything before. Sorry, this is just, I didn't look at it before. Wow, I fit into something that's small. Wow, I'm proud of myself. Sorry, this is like a realization hit, but like, wow, I've never been a small in anything. I've always been somewhat big, I guess, but I've never been like in the plus sizes or anything. So really happy about like that size thing. Ooh, like yes, I know sizes don't mean anything, but like, or at least they shouldn't. But I am just proud of myself, okay? And my parents also got me a blush pink one because I really like blush pink. It's one of my favorite colors, like other than really this blue that's in my room. I like pink more. But this pink, love it. It's great. Silver detailing, but silver does look better with pink, so. But it's honestly really cute. This one's from like LA Express, I think. Yep, and it's a medium for reference. A good, cute little belt whenever I want something different. And also too, I've just been trying to incorporate more color in my wardrobe because I do wear all black and white and sometimes gray for work, or even to just accessorize my outfits at work because, like I said, I can only wear black, white, and sometimes gray depending on like, you know, the variation of it. So I'm gonna do a little food section real quickly. This is one of the few things I still have. So this is an initial chocolate thing. I get this every year. It's so good. Even though I am lactose intolerant, I'm gonna take a lactate for this thing, probably just eat it all in one go. And for One Piece, it's a One Piece thing. Oh, the whole thing is 350 calories. Not bad, honestly, though, for a big thing of chocolate if you really think about it. And also, too, milk chocolate of all things. And also, too, I'm a huge coffee fanatic. I just really like actually getting in depth into coffee now, not just drinking it a lot like before. So with that, I have been drinking more dark roast and stuff because it's a bit more, I want to say, richer and smoother experience. I'm not a connoisseur, I've just been like getting into it a bit more. Anyways, my parents got me dark roast coffee from Starbucks and it's really good. I made a cup this morning. I wish I had it up here because I haven't finished it yet, but it is really good and I use like my coconut vanilla creamer. Ooh, it's so good. And it's the Cafe Verona roasty sweet and dark cacao or cocoa, I can never tell, but yeah, my parents wrote my name on it since I couldn't fit in my stocking. This was a stocking thing. I was fine because it was right from the Keurig and I didn't want to use it right away on Christmas Day, but it's really good, like I said. So if you like coffee like me and if you like dark roast, this is good. So you're probably wondering what the heck this thing is, if because you can't really tell the little inputs. Basically, this is a reader of basically any card, disc, anything, because the only issue with my laptop right now is a refurbished 2012 MacBook Pro. The only issue with it is that the SD card like thing inside of it doesn't work. That's the only thing that doesn't work. It's amazing. That's the only thing that is like wrong with it. So my parents got me a reader for like SD cards and other things too. So honestly, I can now like stick anything in there and it can be read, which is really good because I had to go through my camera like with a cord and then like using a third-party app and it was a hassle. So now it's just from my SD card to my external hard drive, which is amazing to not deal with anymore, like the import and then move it and then find it and then move it over. Like no, I can literally just take it from the SD card, drag it over to my hard drive and it's done. Like that's gonna be so easy after I film this video. I wanted a new like portable speaker, wireless and stuff like that because I have like a whole system for like CDs, vinyls, which I really love, but like, you know, when my Google Home thing isn't responding to me, or like, you know, I just don't want to use it, or if I'm going out and like, you know, I can't take that thing with me, my Google Home, this guy will do the trick. And he connects to an app, meaning I can turn him on through my phone, which means if he's like in the house somewhere and I'm like, I want to start listening to music, and I know the volume is already pretty loud, I can turn it on and play music really freaking loud. Like honestly, this could make music for a block party. There's even like a section on that app, like it's the Urban Ears thing. Oh my god, let me go back to the app actually. Yeah, Ultimate Ears, sorry, not Urban Ears. Ultimate Ears wow, Ultimate Ears speaker. It's so good. Let me play a little something for you. Hopefully copyright doesn't get it. And put in my New Year, New Attitude playlist if you want to listen to it. Go on Spotify. I have a link down below for it. I'm a survivor. But I love it. It's a great speaker and it just plays really well for like a tiny little guy. It's great. And also too, my brother got me the new Smash Bros. We've played this like so many years, like the other versions obviously, but I have a Nintendo Switch and he got it for me and we played it and it was super fun. I actually beat him at once, like that's crazy of me, but I seriously love it. It's a good game. If you've ever played any one of them and you've gone out of it, like I didn't play like the Wii U version, I did play the 3DS version, but honestly it's a great game. And also too, as per every other year, I got more film, which I really appreciate, and I'm gonna bring this to tonight. So yeah, I own a Polaroid camera, film, good idea, and can finally use my camera again because I was about to run out, so I stopped using it. I got a candle. So my mom really doesn't like candles. She doesn't mind them, but it's just the fact that I have so many from like Bath and Body Works and stuff, which I totally get. I do have too many, but like I want to use them up. Like I want to get my money's worth. So like I haven't bought it in a while. I've just been like reusing them and stuff and trying to burn them down. But she ended up getting me this one, which is really pretty, like the outside. Like wow, look at that. Thank you, autofocusing, for getting this, because like honestly, look how gorgeous this is. It's so pretty, and the fact that it's a candle makes it even better. Honestly, when this dies down like almost all the way, Like I can already take it out. So this alone is a nice little jar. But the fact it's a candle makes it so much better. It smells so good too. Like it's a little bit like eucalyptus, I think. Or lavender. Like, you know, some like nice smelling like aromatherapy, I guess. So I got a bunch of socks. I got some Pokemon ones. I got some good like wool and stuff ones for walking my dog and everything for winter time. So thanks, Mom and Dad. I just said you. I didn't mean to doing that. I also got a new sports bra. This one is from Forever 21 and I really like it. Oh wait, my God, there's a pocket. There's a pocket in my sports bra. Wow, life-changing. But it's really good, really comfy, honestly. I like how it's a bit longer too, because then like when I'm feeling good and not feeling bad about myself, I can wear this as a top, which I've always wanted to do. So thanks, Mom and Dad, for letting your girl live her dream of going to the gym and just pants and a sports bra. So you know those furry coats right now, they're really in. My parents got me a blue one. It is faux furry, it is cozy, it is soft. I do really like it, but it's portrayed as like an active thing, which I don't get, but like who would wear this as an active wear thing? But it's super soft and like I'm definitely gonna wear it just lounging around the house and stuff. I don't know who would wear this while working out. That's why I'm just like laughing, because like honestly, who would? Like it's even fuzzy on the inside, it's not even like lines. So like, what, you're gonna work out in like fuzzy? Next thing I got a Puma sweater, yo. Okay, so I really like sweaters and stuff that like have this mock neck thing. Like I have a bunch of stuff with hoods and stuff, and like those are definitely nice and cozy and comf. But like I like this idea of like a half collar thing, but you can tighten up the mock neck and it looks super cute on. And also too, honestly, this like I guess rose gold, maybe just copper, like Puma thing is actually pretty damn cute. I like it. I've always been okay with Puma. Like I love Adidas. I'm not a big fan of Nike. Puma I've been okay with, and this is really cute. It's really soft, like on the inside it's like fleece, which I really like, because then I can just wear this while walking my dog and I'm super warm on the inside because I got a new robe. So this is one of the few things I did ask for, because my old one, man, I've had it since like I was, God, when did I start making videos in general? Because that's when I got it. I got it when I was like 10. It's my blush pink, which I really like, and it's really long. It's super duper cute, and it's fuzzy and it's cozy. In here it says happiness is dreaming. And it's Denver Haze. So as for the last Christmas gift I wrapped myself in it, it is a blanket. It is a pink one. Again, my blush pink, I really like it. It's nice and cozy. And I've always wanted like a nice throw blanket, you know, the one that's really soft, one for me, because my parents and I have a bunch, but none just for like, you know, yourself in a way. So I finally got one, which is so nice. I also do my blush pink, like, yes, oh my God. But yeah, super soft. It was like one of the first few things I opened. And also too, there's like a silk underlining, so you can choose whichever side you want. I personally like having the fluffy side on the outside and the silk side on me, but on some days too, I like having the fuzzy side on me and the silk side out. And also too, whenever I throw it on my bed, I literally just like throw it on legitimately. You sometimes see the side, you sometimes see the fuzz, and it's great. I really enjoy it. Adds a good, nice pop of pink in my room too. So like I said, I like my blue, but I like my pink better, but I painted my room blue. So now it's on to Boxing Day deals and stuff, you know? So I know this is a bag, but actually no, it's a mixture of both stores. So I went in there just to see their deals, honestly. I didn't even know what I was going for. Walking in. But I found this tube top. This is such a look. Honestly, this alone is a look. Really sparkly, really like it. It was on sale for like 10 bucks. Like, what the heck? So 10 bucks for a tube top, okay? And the size large. And I was like, that's gonna be me. Like, you know, like me, it might have fit, but it would have been too tight. So I was like, okay, got this for 10 bucks. Good. And I was gonna cash out. Like, you know, 10 bucks at Victoria's Secret / like pink is really freaking good. Like, wow. And then I found these. I thought this was leather for a moment. Then I came home and I saw they were like plastic. This with that top is a look. So this is apparently from Victoria's Secret's sports line, but I just see this as like a nice fun pant, like not even to work out in. Like I would not work out in this, but it's really freaking cute to me. I know some people would say not. Now the next thing I got technically wasn't a deal, but there was a deal on Switch controllers at the Source and Best Buy, and they were all sold out. When I asked him about the controllers, he was like, oh yeah, we're sold out. And then he told me try GameStop or like, you know, EB Games and stuff like that. So I went in there. The one that was on sale, a normal Switch controller, not like Zelda or anything or like Mario or whatever, and they're selling for like 55 bucks when they're usually like 80, like 90, around there. And they didn't have anything, but when I saw this for like 65 bucks, I was like, that's still good in general. Like, what the heck? Like, why is this cheap compared to other ones? So I got myself this guy because when I got the Super Smash Bros, I'm so used to the GameCube version like of this. So, and this is very similar to like a GameCube controller. So I was like, this is the best thing for me to get if I want to get another controller, which I was hoping to get either with the Boxing Day deal or not. Cause like, you know, I just finally needed it to like actually play with friends and stuff. So I got this, which I really like. Also because too, it's just one like little thing for a game, and I do play Breath of the Wild, so this might be good for me to try with Breath of the Wild now. Actually, you do have to supply your own cord, but I have like almost every cord known to man, so it was easy. I got myself some new jeans. As you can tell from the thing, they're American Eagle. I really like their jeans. They're one of the best in my opinion. So you buy one. I wanted to get another pair of work pants because like I said, the other ones were getting a little big on me. So I got one pair for full price and I got the other one for half off, which I think is pretty dang good if you ask me, considering their jeans are like 60 bucks, and if you buy two pairs, it's like 120 bucks, and I spent under 100 bucks for both pairs. So if you ask me, that's a good deal. And like I said too, one pair for work and one pair for like weekends and stuff. Not weekends, since I work weekends, but like, you know, my actual weekend, like right now. So that is all I got for Christmas and Boxing Day. I know this was a lengthy video, but if you enjoyed it, I would really freaking appreciate if you would then give it some love, give it a thumbs up, comment down below maybe what you got for Christmas, or like, you know, if we got anything similar, or like I said before, if you have any tips for anything, let a girl know because I could really use that right now. Thank you for watching. I would love and appreciate you all so much, and I will see you all next time, which is my blooper reel for 2018. Or it's like, I'm doing this right now on the last day of 2018, so check out my blooper reel if it's up, and if it's not, wait for it, okay? It's taking a while. Bye!